Hey, Roger the Real Deal guy here. How are we? How are we doing? Are we well? Look at that. Blue skies, green grass, and the sun is in the sky. What more could we possibly want? Look at those views. How stunning are those views behind me? So, some of you may not. Some of you real deals out there will know. I'm at Brean Country Club. I am currently showing you round our amazing lodge development with the golf course behind us, sprawling hills in the far distance. And we're only 15 minutes from the M5. That's it, 15 minutes from the M5 and you could be here enjoying stunning views like this. So I hear you scream at the TV or computer or however you're watching this. Rog, what's the real deal today? What are you showing us? I am going to show you through the spectacular Swift Toronto Lodge. It's a 42-foot long, 20-foot wide, 3-bedroom model, but it sleeps 7. 7, you say? Yes, 7. Now, I really am thoroughly going to enjoy showing you through this. But for just 2 seconds, just enjoy that. And now, let's go and have a little look at this lodge. So as we enter in straight away, it feels very open. You know, it really is a fabulous, entertaining space. As we walk in, you know, TV fitted, lovely feature fire. Great sofas, really are well designed, good colour. And then look at that dining area. I mean, you just want to jump all over them cushions, don't you? But look, great sized table, loads of space, easily be able to seat the family and enjoy some open plan eating, living, dining, socialising. Breakfast bar with stools. You know, all different heights, because you know we all are different heights. And then you go into this spectacular kitchen. I mean, look at that. Look at the finish. You know, wine fridge, dishwasher's next to it, integrated fridge freezer, oven, microwave, 5 gas ring burner, Velux window. But I mean, can you imagine just sitting here, cooking, socialising? You know what? Everyone's around you. Patio doors are open. People are out on the deck. But it's such a social space. It really is. It's stunning. Utility room, obviously with the washing machine in there and your boiler. There's also space in there, look, I'll show you quickly, for coats, shoes, things like that. Now the main bathroom. Again, Velux window, light comes crashing through, which is lovely. Look at the size of that shower, massive shower. Obviously you've got the rain head and you've got the normal head, so it depends, but easily fit 2 in there if you so desire. Great, but do you know what? The white gloss really does finish it. A lovely mirror with light around it, but what a bedroom. Sorry, bathroom even. You know, I'm getting carried away. I even forget where I am. Bedroom, first one, twin. Again, sun's shining through that because it's a glorious day there, but look at the light in here. Above bed storage, double wardrobes, drawers underneath, little dressing table, space for the TV and everything's ready. Really is well thought out, well designed. Right, as we carry on down, now we go into the triple. The triple, I hear you say. Yes, triple. So we've got bunk beds. So we've got bunk above and below. Ladders here, so they haven't got a wardrobe. And then you've got straws, as is steps, up into the next bedroom. Oh, bed, sorry. I mean, but look at it. Really is ideal. God, I can't even get my words out today because this is just such a spectacular lodge. And then, creme de la creme of masters. Massive, great big window, letting all that natural light through. Above bed storage. Great bedsides either side. King size bed. Little seat at the end of the bed so you can get them ready. Great wardrobe, mirrored so everything else. Dressing table. And of course, the ensuite, again, with the double heads for the shower. So you've got the rain and obviously the standard head. WC sink, again, mirror. But again, it's just so much light. It's such a fabulous flow. You know, you come back down. Fixtures and fittings, high end. It just feels luxurious. You know, they really have thought about everything. But it is all about this space here, how you interact, your living, dining, kitchen area, you know, proper lifestyle, really enjoying it. And we can come out through the doors onto your stunning deck with those rolling views. I mean, look, does life really get any better than this? So this is the magnificent Swift Toronto Lodge, 42 foot long, 20 foot wide, 3 bed, but sleeps 7. So it really is ideal for the family. Lovely open plan living dining kitchen area, which makes it so social. Velux window in the kitchen, Velux window in the main bathroom with that fabulous double-sized shower. The 2 fabulous bedrooms, with the one with the twin in it and the other with the bunk beds to make it 3 in the cabin and everything else like that. And that fabulous master with a stunning ensuite, the great full-length window that lets in all that natural light. I mean, what more do you want from a lodge? Oh, and of course, the picture it's on with the sprawling views, lovely greenery, it's quiet and everything else like that. And as I said, we are literally just 15 minutes from the M5. And don't forget, Brean Country Club has a 12-month holiday season. So you can come and use this anytime you want throughout the season. The country club will be open, the golf is open, the swimming pool's open, so come and enjoy it. Come and use your holiday home to the fullest. Now, if you want to find out more about this, or any of the holiday homes, lodges, anything else we've got, you know what you do. You've got to pick up the phone and call the real deal. 07493 098 497. Simple as that. Pick up the phone, say, Rog, help me. I want to purchase a holiday home. Roger, I want to look at lodge. I'd even just want to come to the park and see what options you've got. All you got to do is pick up the phone, give me a call, drop me a text, however you want. You can alternatively email me, roger.short@hru.co.uk. I will happily answer any emails, give you all the information I've got, and love to invite you down to come and have a review. And don't forget the good old-fashioned YouTube channel, Roger the Real Deal Guy. I am here to make holiday home ownership as simple and as easy for you as possible. Show you a vast array of holiday homes, show you activities you can do, and really get you to benefit from holiday home ownership here at Holiday Resort Unity and Brean Country Club. That's simple. Now, for me just spinning around here, because look at that, views over that. But for now, enjoy the rest of your day. And don't forget, people, it's not a deal, it's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.